Now, meteorologist Cameron Saliga and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, a pretty nice day as we started the work week off. Temperatures got in the mid 80s, but as we go through the nighttime, we expect chances of thunderstorms to increase over the next several hours. And we already do have some storms firing off here in the Miami Valley. Temperatures will fall in the 70s early on, right around 9 o'clock, and we still see those chances of some thunderstorms. They really come to an end at around 11 o'clock, though, at the latest as we go through the nighttime. And as we start your day off tomorrow, right around 70 degrees early on, we see some partly cloudy skies, and they'll continue to clear as we get through the afternoon, getting up to 86 degrees as we hit the 5 o'clock hour. And looking at your almanac today, we hit 85 degrees. That's normal for this time of year. The low 68 degrees. We do have that 1/100th of an inch of precipitation that fell into the earlier parts of the daytime today. Now, we do have a marginal risk for most of us here into the Miami Valley of severe weather as we go through the nighttime tonight. The main threat being damaging winds, and that goes until around 10 o'clock or so as we see these storms start to move on out. Looking at your highs on your Tuesday, they are going to be a little bit warmer, right around 87 degrees here in Dayton, just up to the north in Sydney at 85 degrees up there in 75. But we do have some humidity tomorrow. It's going to be less humid, but we'll still have dew points near 65, 70 degrees, and that means that we'll have a heat index value tomorrow right around 2 and 3 of 90 and 91. The Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems time-lapse camera, you see that sunshine as we went through parts of the afternoon, but now clouds are starting to move on in as we see chances of thunderstorms increasing. You can see that on live Doppler 2 HG, some of those showers down to the south now into parts of the southern parts of the Miami Valley, and that's going to continue in coverage for those southern areas as we expect this cold front to move through as we go through the nighttime tonight. That'll help clear some of that humidity up that we are currently seeing with a dew point of 68 here, but we do have dew points around the Miami Valley in the 70s. Our current temperature 84 degrees, and it is quite windy. 21 mile per hour winds out of the west-southwest. Around the area right now, we see temperatures a little bit cooler than others. 78 for Oxford, just to the northwest or northeast, so in Troy at 84, and Bellefontaine, Urbana 80 and 81 degrees. Now, as we go through the morning time tomorrow, we start off with a dew point of around 66, and we get up to around 70 as we get into the afternoon hours. Future track through the night, we see those chances of thunderstorms starting to come to an end at around 11 o'clock or so, and then we start to clear on out, partly cloudy for the rest of your night, and by the afternoon tomorrow, we see lots of sunshine into your day, and then as we get into the nighttime, we could see a chance of a shower or two, but we should stay dry here into the Miami Valley. Tonight, 67 degrees is your low with a chance of some thunderstorms early, partly cloudy skies, winds west 0 to 10 miles per hour. As we look at your daytime tomorrow, we get up to 87 degrees. It's going to be less humid, dew points in those lower 70s, even into the 60s, and we have a northwest wind at 0 to 5 miles per hour. 7-day forecast as we go through the rest of the work week. We see those temperatures getting up to 93 degrees on your Wednesday. It's going to be hot, but then as we get into the second half of the week and going into the weekend, that's when we have some unsettled weather. Chances of thunderstorms and temperatures pretty seasonable as we get into the weekend with a 30% chance on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. John?